Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with a let's do die cutting Monday. Oh my goodness, you guys, I've been so behind lately. I'm actually early today, yay! Anyways, so let's see what I ended up creating. So basically I ended up using this die, and I also used this right here. These are really big, you guys, like super big. They're like the size of my hand. This one was the smallest, so this was actually a good size. So this is what it looks like. Okay, and then these, I can't find one right now, so I have these right now. So far I use these are so adorable. So I put those back in here. And these are two extra ones that I just had. I actually have more butterflies somewhere, but I'm just going to go ahead and put them in here for now. And let me go ahead and show you what I end up creating. I am going to go show you guys a sneak peek on a project, kind of. So I don't want you guys to see much, but this is why I was inspired to use my butterfly dies, because of that little butterfly. So anyways, I did create that for that project, and I still wasn't sure what I was gonna make for let's do die cutting Monday. So I was like, hello, butterflies. It's always good to have extra cut die butterflies somewhere around your home, especially, you know, as part of your stash. And then I did also create another butterfly, and hold and behold, I can't find it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, where did I put it at, you guys? This is my crafty live, and it was just the cutest butterfly. Maybe I'll just put it towards the end of the video, you guys. And I am behind on videos, or with my winners. I do apologize for that. So you guys, just life gets in the way, that's all I can say. And my procrastinating. So these are the butterflies right here, and aren't they so cute, you guys? What I ended up doing on the one I created, I'm still looking for it as I'm talking to you guys. Yeah, it's like it just disappeared from 1 minute to the next. Nope, not in here. Oh wow. Anyways, what I ended up creating was basically layering. Oh my goodness, now this is stuck. Let's say this one and this one. All I did was use a piece of foam tape. This is not the size, but just as an example. Put that in the middle right here, on the back and right here, and then all you do is glue it, and you just have yourself a layered butterfly. Now you could put your gem in here, and it will be the cutest thing ever, you guys. And it's so easy, so fast, especially once you have them all die cut. So you guys, for my winner for this week for let's do die cutting Monday, make sure you guys put of course hashtag let's do die cutting Monday, so I can enter you. And if you guys are interested in winning this set of butterflies, I could send them to you. Anyways, I will have my other winners, and I will put winner of what were these again? Labels. I'll say these are labels. Okay, these are labels, and then I'll have the name afterwards, and then I'll have winner of bows, and then bows. These were the bows, and I'll have the name afterwards. Just make sure you guys email me so I know where to send them to you guys. And thank you guys again for taking the time to watch, and don't forget to watch all the other ladies, amazing ladies that have been part of supporting us and doing let's do die cutting Monday. Gloria has not failed a single day. She might have been late a day or two, but you guys, she has joined us along with our tree and been doing die cutting Monday each Monday. Thank you, Gloria, for your support, and I will link her down in the description below, you guys, so you guys could go over, check her out, and support her. And I'm still looking for the butterfly. Anyways, thank you again for your time, and we'll see you guys next Monday. Bye for now. So yeah, once I was done with the video, I found it. So this is what I ended up creating, you guys. And then this is the cutest, you guys. So I did use a foam. It's on the bottom, as you guys could tell. Popped it up. You guys could just lift it up and put the gem in here, and that is it. Anyways, again, thank you, and I'll link the winners down behind. Bye for now.